How to screenshot an area of a screen on Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can take a screenshot of just an area on your screen on Windows device. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So to do this, you actually have a tool in your Windows device called Snipping tool. So simply search for Snipping tool on your Windows device. This is the tool right here. Tap on it and open that up. After you open that up, here you will see different options. You will see the new button right here. Tap on the new option. Then simply take a screenshot like this and you can drag it and drop it and it will give you screenshot something like this. And that's how you can take a screenshot on your Windows for just an area of your screen. If you're not satisfied with this, you can again tap on the new button, take another screenshot like this by simply dragging it, dropping it, and after you take a screenshot, it will all be saved in your device. You can also copy it from here by tapping on this copy option and then paste it using Ctrl V. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.